Okay, Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, so today I would like to presentate about CRUD, the foundation of data management. CRUD stands for Create, Read, Update, and Delete. The four essential operations for managing persistent data and software system. These operations underpin almost every data-driven application from web platform to complex database and REST API. Understanding CRUD is critical for developer as it forms the backbone of how data is handled, stored, and manipulated. In this presentation, we will explore each CRUD operation in detail, demonstrate example, and discuss best practice and security considerations that ensure robust and efficient data management. Create, adding new data. So for definition of create involves inserting new records into a data store, such as a database, marking the starting point of data life cycle. Key considerations: ensuring data validation and enforcing unique constraints, avoid duplicates and maintains integrity, auto-incrementing, IDs assign unique case automatically. For example usage, so like get SQL insert into users name and email values, for example of name, and then example of email, and then REST API handle via post request to create results on the server. Read, assessing existing data. Basic operation, read operation retrieve data from storage. This can be a single record or a set of records with filtering and sorting applied. Example, SQL query, select from user where ID 123. Performance vector and indexing accelerates search and retrieval process. And second, filtering and sorting optimize the dataset return to clients. In REST API, GET requests are used to fetch data. Update and modifying existing data. Purpose: update change the values of existing records, allowing data to stay current and correct without full record replacement. For example, SQL statement using update user set email and then new email where ID 123. Challenge: maintaining automaticity and handling concurrency issues require mechanism like optimistic and pessimistic looking during updates. REST API perform using put or patch requests depending on whether the update is full or partial. Delete, removing existing data. For the concept, deletion removes records permanently or marks them as delete or self-delete. It's critical to handle dependencies to avoid data corruption. Example, delete from user ID 123. Consideration: foreign key constraints ensure link data integrity, and then soft deletes preserve data story by flagging record as inactive. Auditors allow tracking of delete action for accountability. REST API use delete request to remove results. CRUD in different contexts. Relational database. The first is SQL database. MySQL, PostgreSQL, and SQL Server are commonly used for CRUD with standardized SQL commands and structured data. And the second is transactions. Provide SID properties for reliable CRUD operation, ensuring data integrity even with concurrent access. And third is ARM tools, object relational mapping frameworks like Kubernetes, Django ORM, Abstract, CRUD with object-oriented models, simplifying developer works. Then CRUD in different contexts, no SQL database. So there is three. There is MongoDB, Redis, and APIs. For MongoDB, document based with flexible schemas. CRUD involves inserting, querying, updating, and deleting JSON-like documents. And for the Redis, the memory key value storage, emphasizing speed. CRUD is a tailored to simple key operation with high throughput. APIs, CRUD methods deliver to accommodate non-relational models like DB collection insert one or DB collection find in MongoDB. Security consideration. So there is four: input validation, essential to prevent SQL injection, cross-site scripting, and other injection text by sanitizing input. And second, standards and guidelines. Follow OWASP recommendations for secure coding to mitigate common vulnerabilities. And then number 3, authentication and authorizations. Control who can perform CRUD action, enforcing roles and permissions. And then last, data encryption. Protect sensitive data both at rest and in transit to ensure confidentiality and compliance. Best practice for CRUD operations. Parameter squares. Use prepare statement for ORM abstractions to prevent SQL injection attacks. And then second, error handling and logging. Gracefully handle failures and maintain logs to aid debugging and auditing. Number 3, performance optimizations. Index strategically and optimize queries to ensure fast response and scalability. The last is data integrity. Maintains consistency through condition constraints and tractions management. And then conclusion, mastering CRUD operations are the backbone of virtually every data-driven application. Mastering these operations across different database technologies and contexts is fundamental for developers to build robust and reliable software. Moreover, incorporating security and best practice ensure safe data handling and efficient performance. With a solid grasp of CRUD principles, you can confidently design, implement, and maintain sophisticated data management solutions. Oke, maybe that's all for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.